Let's check the vocabulary. In this vocabulary, we are going to discuss about antonyms and using words in own sentences. Here we'll check some antonyms. Small. Here the antonyms means opposite words. For small, the opposite word is big. Second one, rich, poor, safe, unsafe, clever, fool, tall, short, bright, dark, plenty, few, full, empty, packed, unpacked, country, town. Here we write some opposites or antonyms. Let's check the sentences. You just check here. An underlined word is there in each and every sentence. For that underlined word, you have to give opposite word in the given dash. We'll check first one. I live in a small house, but my friend lives in dash house. We have to write the opposite word for small. Second one. Rich people has more money, but dash has very little money. Third one. In this COVID situation, staying at home is safe, but going outside is dash. Fourth one. Tenali Ramakrishna was a clever person, but all the judges in the court wanted to make him a dash. Fifth one. Palm tree is very tall, whereas apple tree is very dash. Sixth one. On a sunny day, the day is bright, whereas on a cloudy day, it looks dash. Seventh one. A plenty of money is wasted on luxuries, but only dash people spend on charity. Eighth one. The bottle is full of water while going to school, whereas while returning it is dash. Ninth one. We packed food to the picnic and dash before eating. Last one. The country mouse lived in the country, whereas the town mouse lived in a dash. Next, using words in own sentences. The heading itself saying that we have to use the words with our own sentence. Let us check the words. I took the same words which I was taken in antonyms. The first one, small. Our school has a small playground. Rich. People who are rich by heart do more charity. Safe. Stay home, stay safe. Clever. My sister is very clever. Tall. My brother is tall. Bright. Today is a bright and sunny day. Plenty. We drink plenty of water in summer. Full. The trees are full of green leaves. Packed. I packed my bag with lot of snacks. Finally, country. I like to live in the country. Our next part is compound noun. Here the heading itself saying that compound. It is nothing but the combination of two nouns. Let us check. Read the following sentences from your lesson and identify the underlined expression. He nibbled at the root and the sugar cane. The expression sugar cane is a compound noun. Here you can observe this. Sugar is a noun, cane is a noun. Here this sugar cane is a combination of two nouns. This is called compound noun. It is a combination of two nouns. Here we can see sugar plus cane is equal to sugar cane. Now read your lesson and pick out at least two compound nouns. Let's form some compound nouns now. Here, join each word in column A with a suitable word in column B to form compound nouns. The first one is done for you. Let's check out it. See here, column A, column B, compound word. In column A, here so many words are there. Let us check. You can see from column A we took birth and from column B we took day. Here the compound word is birthday. Like this, we have to prepare compound nouns by using column A words and column B words. Here to make compound words, even I used different colors lines. From column A and combination with the column B, we can get the compound word. First one is already done for us, and the second one, door, bell, fire, wood, hand, kerchief, moon, light, motor, cycle, sun, shine, gate, way. Totally 8 compound words are made from these column A words and column B words. Hope you understand what is a compound word is. Thank you.